Friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. So before going into the further details, please do subscribe my channel and leave comments below my video. And don't forget to like. Guys, as you could see that today I am here with you along with a super exciting, super easy, very beautiful and unique patterns of hand embroidery. Yes friends, you have heard it right. Only one embroidery stitch can solve all of your problems, and this simple and easy embroidery stitch would be the solution of everything. Yes friends, this is a solution that is lazy daisy stitch. As you could see, all of these designs are looking very mesmerizing, eye catchy, highly trendy, designer pattern base, but they are totally based on one embroidery stitch, and that is lazy daisy. You can decorate and beautify these necklines with the use of pressed stones, with the use of pearls, beads, and if you only want to use thread, then it would again be sufficient for you. So I hope that you will make use of these design ideas in a very beautiful and creative ways. Uh, One flower of lazy daisy stitch is a result of 1 minute effort only. So please do try these patterns and share your experiences. This is a very beautiful, eye-catchy, and I promise, I bet it would be a very useful video if you are in search of more new 2023 new year upcoming trendy ideas that could be made with the effort of very less amount of time and could result in a very beautiful design and a very creative designer outfit. Then this video collection is absolutely for you. You can design these patterns of very beautiful and easy lazy daisy stitch onto your shirts, onto your kameez, kurta, onto your gowns, maxi, abaya, jalebia, onto your shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, sweaters, cardigans, ponchos, and many more creativities. You can design the dresses of girls, women, teenagers, and baby girls as well. So enjoy the ideas, do try them, and leave comments so that we could get to know what is your feedback. So stay tuned and stay blessed. Meet you soon in my new upcoming videos.